Good evening, all the people who have joined us, all our viewers. Today, we are in conversation with a man who is full of wisdom, who has had years of experience in our weighing industry and can be easily called as one of the great men of the Indian weighing industry. So, I'll today we have Mr. Sundar Vanchevan, the proprietor of Mass Industrial Solutions, here today with us. So, good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening,
sir. So, sir, I mean, you've been in the industry for a very long period of time. So, how did it all start for you?
1979 December onwards.
Oh, 1970. That's a long time, sir. So, how did you decide to get into the industry?
See, Avery was recruiting apprentices at the time. Avery India was recruiting apprentices at the time. I joined them, did my part-time diploma in electrical engineering, and then completed my training in 4 years, training of 4 years, then served them till 2002.
2002.
Traveling all over the country.
Wow.
1979, 2002, I was with.
Wow, so it must have been quite a journey. So, any particular memories that you have that you would like to share with all our readers?
Yes, I was fortunate to travel all over the country and involved in almost all the failure projects of India, Avery. So I could gain a lot of experience.
That's amazing. I mean, traveling around the country.
Wherever they failed.
Sorry?
Wherever Avery failed, then people and all used to come to the site. I was associated with them, so I could gather a bit of knowledge.
Wow. But sir, isn't it amazing working for a company and traveling all over the country with them?
So even today I enjoy traveling.
That's very nice. So how many countries have you traveled? Have you traveled abroad?
Yeah. I have installations abroad. I have installations in Indonesia. I have installations in Canada. I have installations in Tanzania, Guyana, and the Seychelles.
Wow.
I have traveled a lot to Indonesia more.
Indonesia. Isn't that a beautiful country, sir?
Yeah. It's a very good country. Lovely country.
I
love wherever I go. I love the place wherever I work.
So have you worked with any other companies as well? And which was the most exciting company or a project that you were working on?
See, after Avery, I have started my own business also. Working in Northern Coalfields, Southern Coalfields. That was an exciting one for me. Because that was on my own again. After working for Avery for 22 years.
Wow.
That was the most exciting period of my life.
Wow. That's beautiful, sir. And so, sir, you have seen the industry. Sorry?
Leaving a company after 22 years and starting your own was really enjoyable.
Hey, sir, I'm sure it would have been. I mean, you have seen the industry in and out, right, sir? And so in your
nobody has really? Okay, I have fairly good experience, not otherwise. Yeah.
Okay, so sir, how's your in your view, how has
the
okay.
Even today I keep learning.
So that's very, very, very humble, because as we grow, we have to learn, and that's how we move forward. So that's very humble of you, sir. But so, sir, in your view, how has in your view, how has the industry grown since when you joined and as of now it is in 2021?
When I joined, Avery was the only monopoly. Till 1990, 1985, 90s, they were monopolies. After that, a lot of people came with electronics. Every was very late in that. And a lot of every people resigned from 1995 to 2002. So everybody started the same weighing field. So about 1,000 people from every came out and started this weighing of their own throughout the country.
So, sir, throughout the your work experience, I'm sure you must have tackled some great challenges that were faced by the company that you were working in. So, which one was the most troublesome one that you had to work with?
There are a lot of troublesome things. In every region, they had a lot of things. We had a, when I was working for in Raipur, we had a tough installation in Nico Industries, weighing in motion railway bridge. That was the toughest one. Despite customer giving full support to us, every could not succeed in that.
Okay.
Every could have developed a lot of new systems. I gave a lot of suggestions to every, but unfortunately, every being a monopoly those days, they didn't listen to us.
Oh, okay. And what solution did you come up with pertaining to that problem?
I have my own. I have installed in JSW Bellary 150-ton structureless static rail weighing system in 2002.
2002, wow.
It was the first of its kind in India.
Wow.
2012.
2001.
It was the first of its kind in India. 2012.
Oh, 2000. Okay, 2012.
12. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
That was the first of its kind in India. It is working even today without any problem.
Well, I mean, you had installed it, so then how can there be any problems, sir?
No, a lot of failures also I have. Even today I have some failures. See, failure and success cannot be termed as the success of whatever it is. Failure is also part of our weighing system line. Because weighing is not only one engineering involved. In weighing, all branches of engineering is involved.
That is true.
Site dependent. So you can't say that you are master, you are legend, you can do everything. Nothing can be told in weighing industry.
Yes.
Because civil is involved, mechanical is involved, electrical is involved, electronics is involved, software is involved, pneumatics is involved, everything is involved. So you can't say that I can't say that I am the master. I do have a lot of failures, but I have learned a lot from the failures also. See, like every they have a lot of failures. That has given me a lot of inputs.
That is
whatever I am today, that is because of every experience.
I understand. That's quite few word of wisdom, especially for the people who are coming into the industry and thinking that if we have any failures, then it will be very difficult for us to move forward.
Yes.
Wow. So, sir, how is the future of the industry looking to you in the next 5 years, probably?
The industry is looking great. Weighing is heart of every industry. Only thing is people have to adapt to the new challenges coming up.
So, what are the new challenges that
would be very difficult?
So, what are the new challenges that are coming up according to you in the
cooperation with IoT?
Okay.
In the case of weighing system to IoT and cloud.
Okay.
And automation.
The automation. Okay. Yes, indeed. And I think there will be some reforms that are required in the laws as well when it comes to the methodology.
We can't do anything on that. We can talk about what we can do, not which we cannot do or which we cannot control.
Correct, sir. We just have to abide by them. That's why they're there.
Whatever law of the land that we have to abide by.
Wow. So, sir, I mean, a lot of young people are also trying to enter into the industry. I mean, I have also entered into it at a very young age, and they can always look up to people who have experience. So, any word of advice for the people who are going to be joining?
See, whatever is your qualification, forget the qualification. You come into industry as a fresher. Every day will be keep your mind and see open, ear open, learn everything every day. Even from small worker, labor, you have to learn something, you can learn something. You have to learn it.
Wow. And that's actually true. I mean,
not have any ego. Put your hands and work. At least for 20 years. Only then you will know what is it.
Wow.
Sitting in AC, it's not going to help. It's not going to make you learn anything. Be in the field, learn things with your hands. This is my suggestion for anybody who is coming into the field.
That is true. Any particular learning story that you remember, that is some unexpected learning that happened during the journey of your time with Avery or ahead?
Yeah, learning of a computer was a great thing for me. I learned the computer of my own.
Wow.
I had installation
on your
in Visakhapatnam steel plant. I did not know ABC of a computer. Those days we used to carry the floppy disk.
Oh, I remember the floppy disks. I've seen them only, never used.
Yeah. Nobody thought of any computer. I have learned computer of my own. Sitting in the web installation site. Late nights I used to play with that and learn it.
Wow.
Now today I'm learning IoT.
So what's the process of your learning? Like, what's your way of learning? How do you tackle new challenges?
You practice it. That's all. Nothing else. Spend time and practice everything and everything.
So practice is the key. Practice is the key.
Nothing else.
Well, that was very good advice from your end, and this brings us to the end of the interview. And thank you so much for being with us, and taking out time from your busy schedule. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye.